We're gonna name that Avenger. Let's see how well you know the bodies of your fellow Avengers. I'm gonna show you some extreme. I know you
Extremely
know them
well.
What is this? What body part and who is that?
I don't even know what part of the body that is.
I don't want to know.
What the hell?
Is that a raccoon?
God.
This is awful.
I want to Hulk's nuts.
What is that?
Does that like a beard?
Yes.
Beard.
I mean, I have a beard. It's not me, is it?
I mean, it's got to be Hemi, right? Who else is that hair?
No,
Is it
Oh, is
Downey?
it Downey?
No, it's a goatee and it's Downey.
Look at that. That guy knows what he's
Goatee.
talking about. Yes.
Oh,
Yes!
Yeah. Yeah.
That's your buddy Downey's goatee.
Ew, that's
Oh,
gross.
man.
It's horrible. I thought that was Rocket.
What is that?
That's a shoulder.
I don't
That's a
wonder
shoulder.
what is that.
Oh my God, it
That
looks
looks
like
like a raccoon's armpit.
that. Like a walnut.
Walnut.
Also looks
Have
like
you never seen a walnut in your life?
That's a goiter.
That's like an arm. That's someone's
walnut
arm.
as in nut.
That is one of Hulk's nuts.
Is that a hairline?
It is a hairline.
Is it Evans?
I don't know.
Oh no, it's Renner.
Oh, is it Renner?
Controversial haircut.
Renner.
That's you, buddy.
Oh, it's me? Look at that. I don't know what part
Come
of
on.
it was.
How cool is that haircut?
Okay, let's move on. Okay, next up.
Oh, okay.
Oh no.
How horrible. Please don't be
That's
someone's back of their neck?
Is that like someone's elbow?
No, that's a forehead.
Wow.
Ew.
Okay, that's a forehead. That's someone's forehead.
Yes.
That's a
It's
nut.
Bryan Cranston. He's in these, right?
What do you think that is, Chris?
I don't.
I don't want to even answer that.
Okay,
one.
Is it going to be Ruffalo?
I knew exactly who it was.
That's furrowed brow. That beautiful furrowed brow.
Look at that.
Is he pursing his lips?
Come on.
It's a little bit.
Thinking deeply.
That's his
He's
blue
kind
steel.
of doing a duck face.
Oh, God.
Seen them before.
That looks like Hemsworth's abs.
Yeah, you knew that a little too quickly.
Right out of the gates.
Is that a butt or is that abs?
Are those abs of butt?
That's Evans.
Is that-
no, it's Evans or
that?
no, that's
Abs?
his stomach.
It is.
It's either Evans or it's Hemsworth.
I failed biology, obviously.
That's the hemisphere.
I mean, that's Hemsworth.
Yeah, that's the happiest place on earth. That's Chris Hemsworth's abs, of course.
Oh, God.
This one?
That's an eyebrow. That's Scarlet.
That's Bree's eyebrow. No, that's
Scarlet.
That's an eyebrow.
Scarlett's eyebrow.
Yep.
Scarlet. That's a sharp brow, man.
That's a movie star brow.
That's an eyebrow. That's your eyebrow.
That's my eyebrow?
No, that's
that's
Bucky.
That's
What?
Scarlett Johansson's eyebrow.
Yes.
That's my eyebrow.
That is your eyebrow.
Yes, I know. Plucked to perfection.
Last one.
That's an ass.
Oh.
Whose ass is that, Joe?
Is that somebody's butt?
Yeah, it's been through something.
Yeah, something
Been through some wars.
It's either the chest of Winter Soldier or my ass.
I think it's
Very close.
Wait,
Is that
wait.
Karen's
Evans.
ass?
That's Evans.
It is?
Captain America's costume.
It's a butt. It's a butt. It's a butt.
But.
Oh, that's my tush.
It's a box.
Wow.
Oh, well done, Denai. Don't ask me how I got it.
Someone's just been looking. Someone knows.
That's your tussie.
That's my butt.
You guys did it.
You guys
butt time,
do
you
not
got
tell
Spent a
him
lot
that
of
I knew
time
that
looking
was
down.
his butt. Nobody is allowed to
Yeah.
tell him
Right
that.
now.
No.
Our little
no,
secret.
Don't
guys.
worry, because that won't
No.
tell
You
him.
guys weren't really, you're not really going to use
Circle
that.
of trust.
This isn't going to go anywhere, right?
Hey, we did pretty good, I think.
I think we did all right.
50%.